Despite criticisms, the government is pressing ahead with its cash incentive program for seniors who have received the COVID-19 vaccine. Mr. Holness said the program is necessary to tackle vaccine hesitancy among priority groups. The issue was raised in Parliament last evening following questions by the opposition. Vashon Brown has more.
Jamaica recently received another shipment of vaccines through the COVAX facility. More doses are also expected in the coming months. But some people are still hesitant about taking the COVID-19 vaccine. It's why Southeast St. Anne MP Lisa Hanna raised this point in Parliament last evening.
And how can we incentivize the population to take the vaccine? In other words, the vaccination blitz have worked, but it still doesn't strike me that it's enough. So what can we do?
In the United States, California on Thursday became the latest state to announce huge cash prizes to incentivize vaccination against the coronavirus, offering $116.5 million in giveaways, many smaller payments, as well as a final drawing for 10 winners of $1.5 million each. Officials in Ohio have said a chance to win a $1 million prize has helped boost the state's COVID-19 vaccination rate by 45%. In New Jersey, residents 21 years and older can get a free beer after receiving their first dose. Here in Jamaica in March, the government announced a conditional cash transfer program for elderly Jamaicans who've taken the COVID-19 vaccine. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the government will be pressing ahead with the program, which will see vaccinated people aged 60 and over receiving $10,000.
The Minister of Finance announced in his budget presentation that we're going to do a care program that is a conditional cash transfer, that if you show you have taken your vaccine, you will get some support under the care program. And the Minister of Finance will say more about that. I mean, I've heard the criticisms about it, but conditional cash transfers are standard economic policy tools to get behavior change. And this is a behavior change that we need. As I said earlier,
he again pointed out that 65 to 75% of the population must be vaccinated to achieve herd immunity. He notes that the government is already giving incentives indirectly, like reducing quarantine for vaccinated persons to 8 days and exempting fully vaccinated seniors from stay-at-home orders. Meanwhile, opposition spokesperson on education Angela Brown-Burke wanted to know about teachers specifically.
Just another question, suggestion. If we are targeting in any specific way our teachers in terms of the public education, the discussion around what their concerns are, so that we could see an increase in the take-up for the vaccine.
Yes, we are engaging with the teachers and the teachers union, the JTA, directly. We have gotten some positive responses, but there is a high level of skepticism there, no question. So the public education and engagement has to continue.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.